Heifers and Kapusta pace this field to the green. Here they come. Dave Peppers in the 57. He'll jump out to the early lead as they go in front of the Miller scoreboard for the first time. Peppers on the front end. Rocky Decker drops into that second spot. The field starting to spring itself out. McDonald on the inside of Kapusta. They race for third. Peppers continues to lead. 2 truck length lead over Decker. In the book, 6 to go. Dave Peppers of Orfordville, your leader. Rocky Decker now pulling up on the inside of Peppers. McDonald holding on to third in the 25. Rocky Decker, your new leader. 55, Cleaver on the inside of McDonald. They race for third now. Cleaver and McDonald side by side down the back stretch. That for third. Rocky Decker opening up some distance between he and Dave Peppers. 4 laps are in, 4 to go. Rocky Decker on the front end. The battle appears to be for third between Cleaver and McDonald. Rocky Decker opening the lead. 5 in, a nickel in, and 3 to go. McDonald trying to get around Peppers. Cleaver now looking to the inside of Dave Peppers. Todd Cleaver in the 55. He will go right on by Peppers. McDonald now looking on the inside, not this time for the 25. 6 laps are in, 2 to go. Rocky Decker at Janesville opening up a safe lead at this point. Hunting him down though in the 55 is Todd Cleaver. White flag flies this time. Rocky Decker your leader. Cleaver is second. Peppers third. Gary McDonald trying to get Peppers a run for third. But as they come out of 4, they come to the checkered flag. Rocky Decker is your winner. Cleaver, Peppers, McDonald, Kapusta on the track for our second of 2 heat events here in the Midwest Truck Series. The field of 8 trucks to the green flag. Here they come. This should be a good one. Dan Harris, he'll jump out to the early lead. Keep your eye on Musgrave in the 53. Dan Harris, your leader. Bart Pinzzuti holding down that second spot. Justin Musgrave is third. Caught him alongside Jim Dunn. They raced for 4. John Wood up the track a little bit in 4. 2 laps are in, a half dozen to go. Dan Harris. Here comes Justin Musgrave on the outside of Bart Pinzzuti. Back for second. Charlie Cottom's right behind Pinzzuti. Slight advantage to the 53 of Musgrave. Pinzzuti on the inside, Musgrave on the outside. Justin with the advantage as they go into 3. Dan Harris continues to be your leader. Justin Musgrave slams the door on the competition. He takes second. Charlie Cottom now pulling up alongside of Pinzzuti. That for third. 5 laps in the books, 3 to go. Dan Harris, your leader. Justin Musgrave second, Charlie Cottom third. Now up in the 4th, native Billy Berg. Six are in, 2 to go. Harris with the lead. Musgrave second. Cottonberg, Pinzudi. The field is strung out. White flag will fly, this time by. Todd Norder in the 36, the truck on the move. He'll pull alongside of Jim Dunn. That battle is for sixth. But as they come out of four, coming to the checkered flag, your winner is Dan Harris. Musgrave, Cottom, Berg. Fantastic finishes here in the Midwest Truck Series. Not one to make guarantees, but I think this one is going to be another good one. Welty and Cleaver will pace this field in front of the Miller Christmas tree back there. 20-lap feature for the Midwest Truck Series. Here they come. Well, as they shake and bake and sort it out, Todd Cleaver jumps out to the lead. Dan Harris is second. Dan Harris in that 50, awfully quick tonight. He pulls up alongside Cleaver. Side by side, Dave Peffers. Dave Peffers down between 1 and 2 in the caution. Jim Dunn. Some feature victories. A feature victory. Well, here they come, single file. Todd Cleaver will be first to the green. Well, some interesting maneuvering back in the pack there that you might not have noticed. Dan Harris now pulling up alongside of Todd Cleaver. Harris, your leader. An interesting battle to watch is the 8 and the 71 back in the field. Right now the 8 with the advantage, but keep your eyes on that one. Your top four, Harris, Cleaver, Welty, and Musgrave. It's getting very interesting back in the pack. Dan Harris, Cleaver, Welty, and Musgrave. That battle for third. Justin Musgrave powers in the third. Now Todd Norton will pull up alongside of Welty. They are racing for fourth. Dan Harris awfully tough in that 50 truck. Billy Berg now moving up on the outside of Jim Dunn. Pinzudi and Welty, they are racing for fifth. Good run by the 11 of Pinzudi. Oh, Rocky Decker, Gary McDonald, and Tom Kapusta all with trouble. Again, keep your eye on that race. race back there between the 8, the 71, and the 72. Here we go. The field stays single file. Harris, your leader. Boy, that 71 of Kahneman and the 8 of Berg, they've been battling it out all night back there. Billy Berg awfully quick now, pulling up alongside Jim Dunn. Harris still your leader. Your top 4 breaking away from the pack a little bit. That's Harris, Cleaver, Musgrave, and Norder. Welty is 5th, Pinzudi 6th, Billy Berg 7th, Jim Dunn 8th. Nine laps are in, and Dan Harris in the 50 truck, the defending track champion, is your leader. Bart Pinzudi in the 11 is 5th. The truck on the move is the 8 of Billy Berg. Berg now 6th. Charlie Conham looking for racing room. Welty up against the wall in the 3. That opens the door for Conham and Wood to move up another notch. Twelve are in, 8 to go. Dan Harris checking out as your leader. Cleaver, Musgrave, and Norder still your top 4. Bart Pinzudi is 5th. Billy Berg is 6th. Jim Dunn, John Wood, your top 8. Billy Berg now up on the rear bumper and drops down to the inside of Bart Pinzudi. That race is for 5th. Justin Musgrave. He's got his eyes on Todd Cleaver for 2nd. Cleaver on the outside, Musgrave on the inside. Couple of young drivers there. Musgrave with the advantage. 16 are in, 4 to go. At this point, Dan Harris has the field covered. Musgrave is 2nd, Cleaver 3rd, Norder 4th, Billy Berg is 5th. John Wood right on the bumper of Bart Pinzudi. Harris paces the field back to the green flag. Here they come. Dan Harris continues to be your leader. Musgrave right on his tail. Billy Berg in the 8 now moves up to that 4th spot. Charlie Conham and Jim Dunn racing for 6th. 17 are in, 3 to go. It appears to be a 2-truck shootout here between Harris and Musgrave. Dan Harris in the 50. Justin Musgrave in the 53. White flag flies this time. Billy Berg up to challenge Todd Cleaver for 3rd. Todd Norder in the 36 holding down a top 5 spot. Dan Harris appears to have this field covered as they come to the checkered flag. It's Harris, Musgrave, Berg, Cleaver, Norder, Cottom Dunn, Hankins, Welty, Peffers, and white flag flies this time. Billy Berg up to challenge Todd Cleaver for third. Todd Norder in the 36 holding down a top 5 spot. Dan Harris appears to have this field covered as they come to the check. Shackelford. The 21, Doug Schenk. The 8, Richard Lofi. The 11, Brian Engelhardt. And the 72, Jerry Wood. Well, no secret about it. Jerry Wood, a lot of laps on this track. Richard Lofi, quite a few laps himself. But keep your eye on that 71 up Pete Seitz. Here they come. Well, not such a good start for the 21 of Doug Schenk. And there goes the 11 of Brian Engelhardt. Here they come. Oh, Roy Shackelford goes around in the 50. Pete Seitz opening up a big lead over Jerry Wood. Rich Lofi back in the 8. Nice battle here. Here they come. Pete Seitz in the 71, Jerry Wood in the 72. Hey, nice run by the 71 of Pete Seitz. Of course, as you know, the 72 of Jerry Wood, an awful lot of laps in on this track recently. Not as many this year, though, for the 72. Pete Seitz looking good out there. We should see Pete racing here every week. Well, we've got 3 laps in and 5 to go. Pete Seitz in the 71, Jerry Wood in the 72, Rich Lofi in the 8. These guys are racing hard, folks. And a battle back here between Engelhardt, Shackelford, and Schenk. Pete gets up a little high that time, but maintains the lead. First time on the pavement for the 21. You may know him as one of the Badger midget drivers out at Angel Park, Doug Schenk. 71, Pete Seitz holding down the lead. 72, Jerry Wood looking to the inside. 6 are in, 2 to go. Very impressive run by Pete Seitz in the 71. White flag is out. It's Seitz, Wood, and Lofi, your top 3. Shackelford, Engelhardt, and Schenk. Can Pete Seitz in the 71 hold off Jerry Wood as they come out of 4? Wood on the inside, but Pete Seitz comes home with the checkered flag. 2 months, which has been good. So Pete Seitz is going to pull in the victory.